What's good, YouTube? YouTube, this your boy Aristotle Investments. We back with another episode of Market Talk. Sorry for the wait, but we got some special things to talk about, and we're gonna look at the stock market. We're gonna chart some stocks. We're gonna do a lot. All right. So first of all, before I start, what I want you to do is leave me a like and a comment. Comment anything, an emoji, just to boost my engagement. That's all I ask. A like and a comment. Now let's get started, folks. Let me not waste your time. So first of all, what do we have here? Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway shows a new stake in UnitedHealth with over 5 million shares. All right. That's pretty dope because I'm in them too. So we got in a lot of things. We'll look at some charts as well, but as you guys can see, there they go, folks. 1.6 billion stake. CNC went up, MOH, and United Health. And I posted this in the Leap channel right here. So let me go down right here. All right. So it's up pretty large. And then I'll show you guys where I called it. All you got to do is go here for King V Ari UNH. And you guys are going to see me call it. Look, I even said this literally 2 days ago. All right. But and I even gave them so many different ones to get into. All right. So let me show you where I first called it. This was actually, we'll go in here. We'll go in this channel. We'll go to in channel long term and leaps. Then we'll type in UNH. All right, here we go. Now we cooking with grease. Boom, right here. So this is where I said I'm getting in UNH shares, and this was in May. This is the power of leaps. It's August now. Just got to hold. And what did I say? UNH calls back green yesterday, actually. We were just talking about UNH yesterday. And then you guys got a free leap there, team. And then right here, add it to UNH leaps right here. Okay? So make sure you guys tap in. And then we're going to see right here. Hopefully this thing goes to the moon. I want this thing to go past 300. Way past it. But shares are going to be up. Pretty much my chat is going to bank. But not only that, folks. Let's jump to present. I'm doing a 50K to 100K challenge. And, you know, it may be too late for you guys to get in, but I've been literally, we got in CNC, MOH, right? So not only did we get in those, but let me go to the admin commentary, but we're also in MOH and CNC, which also jumped. So MOH, look at that. Let's go. And then CNC. Let's go. All right. So we're going to bank. CNC leaps we got in down here. MOH leaps we got in down here. So, you know, that's actually pretty up big. It doesn't look like it's up more than CNC, but closed at 159 at 167. Hopefully it'll be at 170-ish tomorrow. And then UNH. Yep. So you guys know what time it is, man. Make sure you guys tap in. Let's go to the Honey Drip games. You guys know what to do. Everybody making money. You just scroll down, you're going to see the games. This person account is up 100% year to date. Look at that. Up 35K, 116 year to date. That's pretty good. I still got to scroll through the options. Open did pretty well. Let's go look at open, by the way. I saw them on the option. Huh. I knew I should have got in there. They were pinging on the option trade. Okay, people making money with the small account challenge. By the way, I'm going crazy in the small account challenge. I mean, I'm going to go crazy here. This is just a warm up. I'm 4 for 4 this week. Just, small base hits, but y'all got to think, you know, if I'm taking 20%, 20%, nearly 20%, that's 80%. You get what I'm trying to say? You play the same risk management, you add that up, it all adds up, if that makes sense. So I'm just trying to build the account up a little bit, taking small base hits. I'll tell you if I'm loading it, then I'll tell you if I'm in, and I'll even give you the rationale for why I'm in certain stocks. I tell you exactly when I get in, like Amazon yesterday and CRM. We got in CRM and Amazon. I'll let you know if I'm in. So you guys can literally, and I'll let you know the amount of contracts I'm in. So if you're interested in taking verbatim everything I signal, tap in. I'm just, doing what I do. So tap into that. Now let's look at something your open went. I just saw one of somebody in the games channel got in. I'm jealous. Cause I thought about getting into open because the options were it was so much call flow on open. And if you want to see the call flow, you guys can come in right here and you can see it. I think open was a lot. Like we can go right here. We can go in channel, unusual sweeps, unusual sweeps, open. Yeah, I should have got in. It was so many open calls yesterday as well. I'm talking about the flow was just crazy all over the place, open. So yeah, open. I just didn't really trust it, but it went. Let's see if I would have got in above resistance here. Still would have been all right, but yeah. Open calls were the ones. Breakouts been hitting lately. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Breakouts been hitting. All right, let me give you guys a stock that I think will go. XEE. I mean, XEXE. I'm tripping. Bullish divergence here, all in this little zone. Previous touch of resistance right here. So basically, it's this zone right here is the buy zone pretty much, as we can see. Now, how do we know it's the buy zone? Okay, we have a previous touch of all-time highs right here. It bought up here, went crazy. Bought up here, went crazy. Bought up a little bit right here, went crazy. So basically, you just scale in right here. Basically, that's what we're going to do. And they already had earnings recently. So we're just going to scale in here. And yeah, go out to about October 17th, 10/17. And that's the play you guys get for market talk on the day, folks. But yeah, I like to trade, man. I ain't gonna I like to sorry, I tongue twisted. I like to trade. I ain't even gonna lie, folks. I like leaps, small account challenge, swings. I like to do it all. I'm a jack of all trades. But day trading is like one of those things you just never want to quit on, because the better you get with day trading, the better you are. And if I had to give you guys some game with day trading, what you do is you go right here and you go to this part right here. You go to the 4 square. You get you like 2 to 3 screens. So you can either watch 8. What I like to do is have 3 screens, meaning like I got a screen here, and then I'll duplicate this, and then I'll drag this to another screen, maybe an iPad or, something like that. So I'll have 5 minute, I have SPY right here. Basically, I'll show you what I do. I'll have SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft on another screen, and then NVIDIA, Google, AMD, and like whatever other stock I see. I'll be, scrolling through this whole watch list. I'll pick one random stock, and I like to watch at least 8 to 12 stocks. And I like to see if they have a setup that I like. Now, that's what I personally do. And sometimes you can narrow it down depending on if you see something from your watch list, things like that. But yeah, that's what I do to day trade. So I've been back day trading, folks. So if you want to tap into the day trades, and so far this week, and this is my first week back day trading. Every time I come back day trading, I do pretty well. It's crazy. I don't know if day trading is like a beginner's luck thing, but I'll like stop day trading, then come back to it, and I always hit crazy numbers like this. So I'm just going to stick with it for the rest of the year, see how I do. But every time I do it, I go like a 5 for 6, 7 for 8. I always, because what I like to do is I like to define my risk. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like my risk be so defined that it's either I win or I lose a little bit, if that makes sense. Make sure y'all tap in though. I'll post a link in the description if you guys want to get into my chat, and we'll talk. Let's get it.